In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Google account from TEMU. Whether you're looking to enhance your online security, declutter your account connections, or simply take control of your digital presence, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To start, you need to navigate to your Google account page. You can do this by opening any web browser and typing in the URL myaccount.google.com. This will take you to the home page of your Google account settings, where you have a range of options to manage your account. Here, you'll want to focus on the security section to begin managing your connected apps and services. Once you're in the security section, look for the area that handles third-party app connections. It might be titled something like third-party apps with account access. This area will show you a comprehensive list of applications that are currently connected to your Google account, granting them various degrees of access to your information. In this list, your next task is to locate TEMU. You can simply scroll through the list, or if you're having trouble finding it, try using a search function, often accessible on the page with a quick Ctrl+F command on a PC or Command+F on a Mac to efficiently find TEMU. Once you've found it, click on TEMU to reveal more options. After clicking on TEMU, you should see an option that allows you to delete, disconnect, or revoke access. Look for something that might say, delete all connections you have with TEMU. Selecting this option is crucial as it initiates the disconnection process. It's important to note that doing this will sever all access TEMU has to your Google account, which means it won't be able to access your information or functionalities through Google anymore. Following that, you'll likely be prompted to confirm this action. This step ensures that you've double-checked your decision, protecting you from accidental disconnections. Here, you'll want to click on Confirm to finalize the disconnection. Confirming this step is critical because once you remove a connection, you might need to redo the setup if you wish to reconnect in the future. The final step involves verifying your identity as a security measure. Google often requires users to follow a verification process, which could include entering a password, verifying a code sent to your phone, or completing another verification step to ensure that you're the rightful owner making these changes. And that's it! You've successfully disconnected your Google account from TEMU. Remember, managing your third-party connections is an important aspect of maintaining your account security and privacy. Regularly checking and updating these settings can help protect your personal information. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.